Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. It's going to be real muggy around here the next couple of days. Some locally heavy rain a possibility, especially across our northern counties. Several rounds of storms possible, so a flood watch in effect. Right now it's Chickasaw over towards Winneshiek and Allamakee counties here tomorrow afternoon through Saturday afternoon. There's a warm front that'll lift north through the state tomorrow. Nothing when it comes to severe weather tonight. Severe weather across parts of northern Iowa, southern parts of Minnesota into Wisconsin, and then some strong storms a bit farther to the south. Hail, high wind, maybe an isolated tornado there. Then as the area of low pressure moves by, it'll be a cold front that swings on through the afternoon. Some severe weather a possibility north and east of Waterloo, and then some strong storms south and west. And that'll be during the afternoon and evening hours. We'll show you the timing here in just a second, and that will be hail, high wind, and maybe an isolated tornado. As for the amount of moisture, we measure that by looking at the dew point. The higher that number is, the more uncomfortable it is. That means there's a lot more moisture in the atmosphere. So any thunderstorm that moves on through, that means a lot of heavy rain a possibility. So dew points are in the 70s. Then that front passes by Saturday, allows the air to dry out just a little bit as dew points drop down into the low 60s, making it feel a little bit more comfortable. But that changes again. It is summertime. It's supposed to be humid, and the humidity level increases once again, at least the dew points do, and you're looking at those numbers closer to 70 by Tuesday. So with that, combined with the temperatures, your heat indices will be in the low to mid 90s Friday and Saturday, a little bit more comfortable on Sunday, and then as we showed you, it increases a bit more as we get into Monday and Tuesday. It could be a hot day if the humidity and temperatures do what they are forecast to do at this point. Dry conditions, not really. We got an isolated storm tonight, but not much on the wind overnight. It's a southeast wind, generally about 5 miles an hour. Picks up just a little bit, about 10-15 miles an hour here during the day tomorrow. So really not terribly windy in the next 24 hours. Now, as for any thunderstorms, isolated storms possible during the overnight hours. Here we are, 7 o'clock in the morning, some sun, some clouds, warm start to the day. Notice a couple of storms, a possibility across our far northern counties, about lunchtime, 1 o'clock. That moves towards the east. A lot of sunshine to the south. Watch what happens again. A couple more storm chances across our northern counties as we get towards 7 o'clock. As you head through the evening hours, again, more storms across our northern counties. You get where I'm going here. That's the reason why that flood watch is across our northern counties here. May have to add a couple more counties farther to the south if these storms come a little farther to the south, then repeat over and over. We'll have to evaluate that and see how things play out. But nonetheless, keep in mind if you live north of Highway 20, a chance for some thunderstorms here during the overnight hours here as we get into Saturday morning. Some, again, thunderstorms north. Not much to our south, so a lot of the rain at this point is going to be across our northern counties. This is Saturday morning with thunderstorms. That moves away, and then we have some more dry weather. So early morning and then the late afternoon storms are possible. So again, it's going to be real humid around here. Here comes our cold front during the afternoon. Boom, pops those thunderstorms up right there. Again, some of these storms could be severe. Hail, high wind, maybe an isolated tornado. That moves on by. The evening is dry. We're dry overnight. And the humidity level is a lot lower as we head into the day on Sunday and a lot more comfortable. 68 north, 71 to the south, an isolated rain or thunderstorm possible tonight. Chance for some storms tomorrow. Again, alert day across our northern counties, especially farther to the north you live, closer to the Iowa-Minnesota state line. And as we look ahead, your city-by-city forecast does include likely chance of rain and thunderstorms. That doesn't mean it's going to rain all day, but it could be that line of storms that is your thunderstorm during the late afternoon and evening hours. Otherwise, a good portion of the day is going to be dry, but everybody gets a decent chance at a thunderstorm to pass on by. Then on Sunday, nice day, sunshine, temperature still warm, but the humidity level lower, so a lot more comfortable temporarily. There's your alert days for Friday and Saturday for the storms. Temperatures warm back into the low to mid 90s. This is going to be your hot day. If these thunderstorms come a little sooner, this number may go down a little bit, or there's more cloud cover. I think there'll be a fair amount of sunshine in there. Speaking of sunshine, Wednesday and Thursday has lots of it. Temperatures a little cooler, mid to upper 80s, and then some storms there on Saturday as high temperatures get close to 90 degrees.